Hi, my name is Sanjeev Dahal. I am third year graduate student in Genomics Science and Technology Department at University of Tennessee, Knoxville. And I was a participant in the volunteer work at Ronald McDonald House. I think it is our duty to serve the society and help people in need. One of the best ways to do that is through volunteering. As a graduate student, I do not get time to come up with initiatives such as these kind of volunteer work, but at UT we are fortunate enough to have organizations like Center for Leadership and Service and International House that are collaborating and bringing students together for volunteer work. On a typical Saturday morning, I would be either sleeping or watching TV, but Saturday 2 weeks ago I was at Ronald McDonald House and helped volunteer. At first, I have to admit that I was not amazed by what I was about to do there, but when I saw the playhouse at the backyard and when we started cleaning the house, vacuuming the floors and cleaning the backyard, I realized that I was doing something good, something meaningful and fulfilling, and I was giving back to the community, and that experience, that feeling was amazing. And thanks to International House for such kind of event where I could go and help out people. I strongly encourage people to help International House do all these kind of work. Please support volunteer opportunities through UT's International House.